Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to go into my last couple weekends. So if you guys don't know, I work on the Napa Funny Car team in the NHRA drag racing, and I am one of the mechanics on Ron Capps' car. That is our driver. So we were in Bristol recently, and I met up with my buddy Justin, or if you guys know him by the name Justin ATV. That's his YouTube channel. It'll be linked down in the description. He actually surprised me with some gifts when we met up. So this is his channel. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check it out. Really awesome dude. We kind of started this yearly tradition. Every time I'm in Bristol for the races, we'll meet up and have dinner. We started it last year. This year was the second time. And just all around awesome dude. Really like his channel, and he surprised me with some gifts. I also got him a piston and rod signed by Ron Capps, our driver, and of course I forgot it in the trailer, so I will be mailing that out to him. But like I was saying, he surprised me with some gifts, so I'm going to show those today. And thank you so much, Justin. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to dinner next year. So he sent me a few magnets, which I will place on my toolboxes and cabinets and everything. And then he also got me this. Another background, if you guys don't know Justin ATV, he switched jobs recently, and he is now a Snap-on tool truck driver. So he's got some good stuff. If you're in the area, we always meet up in Bristol. Maybe you're on his tool route, but if not, this is the next item up on the list. USA made Snap-on socket. It's a keychain bottle opener, so we'll put that to some good use. And then this one I haven't even got a chance to open yet, so maybe I will do that now. This is SSX17P114, and it is Snap-on's wall mount bottle opener. Now this is way nicer than the one I have. I have basically this portion from my Husky box drilled into the side of my workbench, and then a magnet mounted below it. This is way cooler, way better. So we're definitely going to get this thing mounted up and put it to some good use. And after I use this to open the bottles, I will pour it into this big mamma jamma Snap-on. I don't know how many ounces this is, but I'm sure I'll feel good after finishing that mug. So once again, Justin, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll make sure to get your piston and rod sent out to you, and I really look forward to meeting up with you again next year, having dinner, and just catching up on how life is going. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to check out Justin ATV's channel. Great guy. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget, down in the description I also have Amazon links to a bunch of tools and car parts and stuff like that that you guys might be interested in. So see you guys next time.